anything is possible. But we have to be brave. Y tenemos que alzar nuestra voz y hablar la verdad y luchar por nuestros valores. Entonces yo los invito con todo el corazón a que nos apoyen, a que motiven. Motivate your friends, your family, to really go to our webpage. See what Fiorina has to say about immigration. She has very interesting proposals.
Yes, Fiorina
is against the Arizona law.
Fiorina is for the Arizona law against Latinos, against Hispanics.
No podemos quedarnos sentados sin hacer
She's
nada.
against
Tenemos que ser
Hispanics.
proactivos, que vean que los
against
latinos
Hispanics.
tomamos decisiones y que se escuche nuestra voz. Gracias.
Bravo.
Bravo.
My friends, those of you who haven't registered, we still have till October 18th to register. So if you haven't registered, register and go out and vote.
Fiorina's against Latinos.
We need, if we want immigration reform, we have to vote Boxer out because she voted against it.
No, she's
She
for
has said that a guest worker program, and I'm quoting your senator.
It's on
She has
YouTube.
said that a guest worker program is a pool of cheap labor. So immigrants are
Votabus.com. It's true.
We want real immigration reform.
Amen.
Fix the problem, and we're going to get it with Carly Fiorina.
Thank you.
Forget about parties, Democrat or Republican.
Yes.
Let's forget about what they say, how we should vote. Let's tell them how we want to vote. It's time for Latinos to stand. We stand here. We begin a movement that begins in California, but it's going to go all over California, all over the country. Latinos matter, and we're going to set, influence the public agenda. It's enough of pandering. Let's win this election. Let's vote your values. Let's vote for Carly Fiorina. Boxer, la boxeadora, va a ser noqueada. Vote your values. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Muchas gracias, Boxer Boxer.
Gracias. Mi nombre es Tomás, ¿qué es tú? Mi nombre es Tomás.
¿Cómo?
¿Cómo? Tomás.
Gracias, muchas gracias por estar aquí con nosotros. Que Dios lo bendiga muchísimo, ¿eh? Gracias. ¿Usted de dónde es?
¿Dónde puedo ir a que me den una carta? Porque yo no tengo memoria, me quiero hacer ciudadano, pero me dieron la...
Alfonso, Carly support Arizona 17. Andy and I are going to...
Ya reciente.
Rafa.
Tengo 7 años.
7 años. Si usted tiene, sí, le podemos conseguir. ¿Tiene su tablet?
Mira, ya que...
Ah, ya.